Hello, everyone. Today we have another question surrounding aircraft flight and to choose which statement is true or false. Now let's read to the following question. 1. Two aircraft cruise at the same altitude. They carry different payloads but are otherwise identical. In order to maximize the range, the one with higher payload needs to fly faster than the one with less payload. Once again, two aircraft cruise at the same altitude. They carry the same payload. They carry different payload, but are otherwise identical. In order to maximize the range, that is the distance, the one with a heavier payload needs to fly faster than the one with less payload. This is true. That's a true statement because to maximize the range distance of an aircraft traveling, the heavier the load, the faster the aircraft should fly in order to maximize the range. So to maximize the range of an aircraft flight, there is need to fly faster if the aircraft is carrying an heavier payload. So this statement is true. 2. Induced drag increases an aircraft fly faster. Once again, induced drag increases as an aircraft fly faster. Don't let us forget that induced drag is a sabotaging effect on the aircraft flight. So in order for induced drag to be increased, to be decreased, and the aircraft need to fly faster. So this is false because as the aircraft fly faster, the induced drag decreases, not increase. So as aircraft fly faster, the induced drag entity decreases. So this is false. Three, the Oswald efficiency factor depends on the aircraft geometry. Once again, the Oswald efficiency factor E depends on the aircraft geometry. This is true because the aircraft geometry always depends on the Oswald factor. That is its size and the contours of the surfaces. All these generate or create an effect on the Oswald factor. So therefore, Oswald factor efficiency factor always depend on the aircraft geometry, size, and surface contour, and so many other things. So this statement is true. Number 4. The flight speed that minimizes drag is larger than the flight speed which minimizes power required. Once again, the flight speed that minimizes drag is larger than the flight speed which minimizes the power required of an aircraft. This is true because the flight speed that minimizes the drag is always larger than the flight speed that minimizes the power required of the aircraft. Five, in order to maximize the angular velocity in a level turn, an aircraft needs to be flown close to the stall effect. Once again, in order to maximize the angular velocity in a level turn, an aircraft needs to be flown to the stall effect. This is true statement because in order for an aircraft to fly and to maximize angular velocity in a level turn, stalling effect play a major role in this situation. So therefore, this is true statement. Thank you for staying tuned.